नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जस्ट डू इट पर। तो दोस्तों, आज ऑलिव बोर्ड पर आरबीआई असिस्टेंट का लाइव मॉक चल रहा है, जो कि आज और कल तक चलेगा, मतलब कल शाम 7 बजे तक चलेगा। तो दोस्तों, आप इस मॉक को ज़रूर अटेम्प्ट कीजिए और अपने मार्क्स आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना। और दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मतलब रिकॉर्डिंग करने जा रहा हूँ मेरे वॉइस की, और मैं जो सॉल्व करूँगा वो भी दिखा दूँगा। और दोस्तों, आप टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन कर लेना, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक डाल दूंगा, तो वहाँ से आप टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन कर लेना। वहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ डिस्कशन करते रहते हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस वगैरह, कुछ पीडीएफ भी मैं डालता रहता हूँ। तो दोस्तों, चलिए दोस्तों, इस मॉक को स्टार्ट करते हैं, देखते हैं हमारा स्कोर कितना आता है, इसका लेवल कैसा रहता है। सिमिलर और डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, ओके। राइज, shouts of protest rising from the crowd. The temperature has risen to nearly 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. It wasn't very rise of him. तीसरा तो नहीं हुआ, मतलब shouts of protest rising from the crowd. The temperature has risen to nearly 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. In similar or different forms you need to see correctly, okay. तो ओनली 2 ही आएगा, क्योंकि 3 तो कंफर्म नहीं है। She had to leave early for the meeting. The vibrant red and orange leaves. She was excited about her upcoming leave from the work. ये बाद में करेंगे। There is a queue of companies wanting to sell the product. I am planning to buy a new laptop next month. His decision negatively impact in the team's overall performance, impacting in the. His decision negatively impact the team's impact. In the question given below, error. She has been working at this company for more than 5 years. She have. The collection of rare books in the libraries are having been prepared. This is the only key which opens the front door of the house. I think no error. Every planet on Earth has trillions of microbes that live together with all these microbes are called plant microbes. These microbes doing exactly are depending hunting plants microbes, Every plant on Earth has trillions of microbes that live closely Are they helping or hurting plants? Most microbes that we know of No requires their plant host. Microbes can also strengthen a plant's ability to fight off infections. Without a microbiome, plant swift suffers. Plant researchers are currently working on ways to use microbes to produce. With each other and with plants bring us one step closer to. The rhizosphere is home to many types of microbes. Many variety of microbes, many types of microbes. We still do not completely understand microbes communicate with each other or share food, so these foods are generally questions to answer. So these are important questions. My cost concern about moving to London is the cost of housing. My main concern about moving to CBA. All of this depends on how the constructed is tested. All of this depends on how the test is constructed. ECB. You give me a call when you get back from holiday. CAB. We look forward to greater success in the coming year. ACB. She was sick. AD. We are going to the planetarium is free for all toddlers. Apples are cheap and in abundance here. AF. The hay needs to be dried in the sun. Please take away all your goods. Synonym Institute. Antonym polarized. Moon surface using polarized light. South Korea's South Korea's first lunar probe will be on its way to the moon. The probe, Danuri, which means enjoy the moon, should arrive at its destination by mid-December and orbit for a year. Researchers are eager to Danuri, which took more than 6 years to build at cost of 237 billion, to begin revealing insights about aspects of the moon ranging from its ancient magnetism to fairy castles of dust sprinkled across its surfaces. Researchers also have scientists in South Korea say the mission will pave the way for the country's more ambitious plans to land. The spacecraft is ready to launch. Which of the following now especially took more than 6 years to build? ये correct है. It cost 237 billion. 2. It was made of new technology. What did scientists say about the first lunar mission of South Korea? Will pave the way. By 2030. Korea Aerospace Research Institute. Korea Aerospace Research Institute. Danuri was flown from South Korea to the United States and is now Cape Canaveral, Florida, preparing to be placed on a What will detach within an hour of launching from the rocket? having been prepared, well, she was confident about passing the exam. Rise, shouts of protest rising from the crowd. Okay, the temperature has risen to nearly 40 degrees Celsius. She had to leave. There is queue of companies wanting to sell the product. Okay. His decision negatively impact the team's overall. She have been this is the only key which open the front door, which opens the front door of the house. Where look closely with it. Most microbes that we know of acquires their plant host by increasing the amount of. ठीक है. Without a microbiome, plant health suffers. Correct. Microbes to produce larger crops. Small step. इसमें confusion है. The is home to many types of microbes. Variety of microbes. Important. ठीक है, सबमिट कर देते हैं. The given pie chart shows degree distribution of student. Finding the difference between the number of students playing hockey and table tennis. Hockey, table tennis, 45, 18. 30, 27. परसेंटेज निकाल लेते हैं दोस्तों. हॉकी, बास्केट, फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, टेबल टेनिस, बेसबॉल, हैंडबॉल. 360 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 2 degrees 10. 90, 72, 144, 90, 36, 104, 180. Difference between hockey and table tennis. Hockey and table tennis 50, 54. अरे यार $36,180. Playing hockey and table tennis. Hockey, table tennis. 45. तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, बाद में करते हैं इसके। $32. $25, $31, $43, $61, $85 प्लस 6 3 12 18 8 3 24 30 8 3 115 20 45 109 190 223 6 25 65 81 into 8 64 32 8 into 2 into 2 16 146 125 89 74 61 20 20 10 18 76 10 13 13 15 17 19 110 -4 106 माइनस 84 14 सबक। अरे यार डायरेक्ट आ जा सकता था ना, एक्सेस लेस देन वाई। 56 8 7 30 -6 + 5 24 35 6 ग्रेटर देन x is greater than or equal to y. 64 75 plus minus e 2x minus 256 plus 45 234 minus 80 minus 89 210 211 minus 211 चारशे 45 15 6 3 13 5 56 78 50 2 $200 भागिले x इज इक्वल टू 1000. बहुत स्लो कर रहा हूँ मैं आज दोस्तों. 24 प्लस और x इज इक्वल टू 64. 40. 240 माइनस 225 15 225 580. 324 350 5 4x प्लस 9 160 40 30 32 माइनस 32 12 13 14 माइनस x 34 44 48 450 825 35 x क्यूब प्लस 38 माइनस 50 500 माइनस 12 12 8 160 x 100 15 24 15 plus 320 divided by 5 plus x 35 20 16 11 280 20% of 130 28 10 x divided by 24% of 75 sin 6 आ गया 18 324. हॉकी बास्केट फुटबॉल क्रिकेट टेबल टेनिस बेसबॉल हैंडबॉल. डिग्री डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वन डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 5. एकशे 25 135. यही तो मैं गलत कर रहा था दोस्तों. मतलब इसकी वैल्यू मैंने गलत ली थी पहले. फाइंड द एवरेज नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स प्लेइंग हैंडबॉल एंड क्रिकेट हैंडबॉल 675. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट प्लेइंग बेसबॉल is what percent more than basketball. 180 by 250%. 20% student who play hockey also played football. 45 so play football then football 60 405. Ratio of total student playing handball and football 700, 810. बेसबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, बेसबॉल 3, 300, 450, 9:5. YZ started business 4800, 9 months, 5400, 12 months, 312, 3 साइन 48, 24, 36, साइन 24, 636. What is the ratio of Y? The total profit earned after a year is 980. Paths. Nice discussion. What is the ratio of Y if 380, 12. ये रेशियो नहीं होना चाहिए था, शायद यहाँ पे वैल्यू होनी चाहिए थी. इन 5 years सर्टेन सम बिकम्स 18,760 at 8% सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, 40% to 8% और 5 years मतलब 40%. 5 to 7, 18,760. फाइंड द सम इंटू 5. 7 2 14, 4 27, 7 42, 5 80, 13,400. पेरीमीटर ये बाद में करेंगे. मिक्सचर 240 मिल्क वाटर 5:3. 16 लीटर इज टेकन आउट. 5 आणि 3 8, 24, 16 लीटर मिक्सचर टेकन आउट. ओके. 5:3. Is 7:5. The speed of boat in still water is V24 S4. Find the difference between time taken by boat to travel 168 km upstream and downstream. 168 28 168 20 6 15.6. Two 2.4. Yes, 2.4. 10 men can do piece of work in 12 days. 8 women in 6 days. Find the total time taken by 10 men and 2 women. Okay. 5 men is equal to 2 women. Men by woman is equal to 2 by 5. Yes. Means total work 10 into 2 into 12. And total time 10 men and 2 women 20 plus 10 30. These 8. Perimeter of rectangular shape bedsheet is 692. 2L plus B is equal to 692. Cost of fencing the edges of bedsheet with the white lace is 7.5. ठीक है 7.5. Length or breadth 346. Okay. If the cost of fencing in the edges of the bedsheet with white lace. इसका पैटर्न दोस्तों 14, 20, 45, 109, 190, 223, 6, 25, 60, 64, 81, 30, 31. इसका पैटर्न क्या बनेगा दोस्तों? 19, 40, 39, 8 minus 6, 20, minus 3, 17, 10, इसका पैटर्न दोस्तों क्या बनेगा यार? इसका पैटर्न दोस्तों ये आप मतलब बाजू की आवाज़ को थोड़ा सा इग्नोर करना, क्योंकि मतलब यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे रहता हूँ और मतलब छोटे बच्चे रहते हैं यहाँ पे. तो दोस्तों अब रीजनिंग को स्टार्ट करते हैं. रीजनिंग इज ऑल अबाउट लॉजिक्स. रीजनिंग इज ऑल अबाउट लॉजिक. अरिथमेटिक डिफाइंस मैथमेटिक. अरिथमेटिक डिफाइन मैथमेटिक्स. ऑल लॉजिक्स आर कैलकुलेशन. ऑल लॉजिक्स आर calculation. Arithmetic, logic, reasoning. Arithmetic, logic, reasoning. Sum is calculation. Sum is calculation. RB, MCT, PEH, MXWB, MCH, XNR. Calculation is coded as X. reverse. What is the code for define? Cannot be determined. Net n sum. 5 people have different number of items. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only one person has more than B. C has more atom than D but less than B. C has more atom than D but less than B. A has more than C. A has more than C but less than B and E. Maximum number E. X से Z, X Q K Z to GQ, GCQ, GXQ both. Z से J, ZX ठीक है नहीं जा पाएंगे. Q से F, Q L T J F false क्योंकि ये neither one or two. J से false, D से O, D से C, C से V false neither. Z Z से S, Z X false, T से V neither. Z is equal to X neither. Raman was playing with his 7 toys and placed them one above the other. Toys. 2 toys are placed between puzzle and table. Puzzle table. The magnet is placed immediately above puzzle. Magnet. The train is placed above magnet but not immediately. Train. Auto is placed immediately above chair. Auto is placed immediately above chair. The engine is placed above puzzle but below train. Engine is placed above puzzle, below train. Engine is placed above table. डॉट मेथड यूज़ करेंगे हम इसमें. टेबल पजल 7 पीपल है ना, 7 पजल के इमीडिएट ऊपर मैग्नेट 3 4 5 6 7 6 7. ट्रेन ये दोनों नहीं रहेंगे. फिर टेबल के ऊपर इंजन, ऑटो के ऊपर चेयर, ऑटो चेयर ये बनेगा. वो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज प्लेस एट टॉप मोस्ट? ट्रेन. हाउ मेनी टॉयज आर प्लेस बिटवीन पजल एंड टेबल? 2. The number of toys placed above engine is same as below chair. Which of the following toys is placed immediately above table? Chair. How many such vowels in the string which is succeeded and preceded by consonant? Vowels. Okay, vowels. एक नहीं, 1 2 2. only 2. Which letter is 6 to the left of 19th letter from the left hand? 6 to the left, 19 minus 6, 13. 3 and 3 6, 3 9, 3 12, 13. Which of the following letter is preceded by vowel and succeeded by consonant? Vowel, letter, consonant. vowel letter consonant 1, vowel letter consonant 2, two, 8, 6, 4, 7, 9, 3, 5. If all the digits are decreased by 1, how many numbers are smaller than 4 will appear in the smaller than 4? 1, 2, 3, 8 people ABCD born on 11, 12, 13, 14 of months, November, December, November, December, 12, 13, 13. L is older than D but not the oldest. L is older than D. M was born immediately after D. Both were born in different months. Different. Only one person born between D and N. No one was born between O and D. Only 4 people were born between L and O. A is older than C. A is older than C. And both were not born in the same month. Different. स्टार्ट कहाँ से करेंगे? एक दो तीन चार, only one person was making DNA. पोर्टिंग भी आएगा यार इसमें. एक दो तीन चार ओ डी एन डी एक छोड़कर एन ओ के पास बी ए के नीचे सी. गलत हो जाएगा. तीन चार ओ बी सी. ये करेक्ट है. डी एन एल चार. ओके. द नंबर ऑफ पीपल यंगर देन the number of people younger than 7, M6, N5, C2. Who among the following is Who among the following are not born on 12th? N C all. Only people were born between L and C. 2. M was born on 11 December. NMBOC NNBOC N. Some seal is turtle, some seal is turtle. Only a few tortoise are seal. No seal is tortoise. All turtle are seal. Some tortoise being turtle is a possibility. Only 3. All article are tail. Article are tail. All tail are story. All tail are story. All article are story. Yes, some tail is article too. Some story is article. All. Six people sitting around a triangular table. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside, 3 people sit at the corner of the table and rest 3 sit in the middle. Okay. Is second to the left of you. T immediate right of you. One person sit between T and P. Q is not sitting adjacent to P. P does not sit at any corner. Okay. Yes, sit second to the left is P does not sit at corner. Means corner ये हो जाएगा corner. Q does not sit at any edges. Means ये corner पे बैठेगा. Which of the following sits second to the right of Q? Yes. How many people sit between R and U? 2. What is the position of R with respect to P? Second to the left. Find the order. T is TU, RQ, SR. TU, RQ, SR. QP, PS. QP. The number of people sitting between S and T is same as U and S and T is same as U and R. Four people, Raj, Ravi, Rina, Rita use different mobile, Asus, LG, Nokia, Vivo. Every mobile works on different version. Okay. Raj, Ravi, Rina, Rita. Rina does not use Nokia. Nokia which works on the Nougat. The mobile of the one who uses LG works on Donut. Vivo works on the Pi. Rita mobile works on the Oreo, Asus. Ravi uses neither Nokia, Asus. Reena does not use Nokia. Reena does not use Nokia. Nokia which works on Nougat. Nokia Nougat. The mobile one who is LG works on Donut. LG Donut. The mobile Vivo works on the Pi. Rita mobile works on the Oreo. Okay. Ravi uses neither Nokia nor Asus. If Ravi uses Vivo, then Reena uses LG. Ravi Asus. तो मेरे इंग्लिश में दोस्तों 3 गलत हो गए। इंग्लिश मतलब ये एग्ज़ाम मुझे थोड़ा एग्ज़ाम लेवल लगा। ये मॉक टेस्ट थोड़ा सा एग्ज़ाम लेवल था, इजी था। क्वांट भी इजी था, उसमें एक पता नहीं कहाँ पे गलत हो गया। और रीजनिंग भी इजी था, वो लास्ट में पूरा पज़ल बन गया था, लेकिन दो क्वेश्चन मेरे उसके टिक करने रह गए और लास्ट का क्वेश्चन भी रह गया। तो ओवरऑल मेरे 96 अटेम्प्ट हुए और मेरा स्कोर 89.75 आया। और इसका लेवल इजी था, बिल्कुल इजी था इसका लेवल। और इसमें पैसेज भी इजी था इंग्लिश में। क्वांट में वो डी आई में थोड़ा सा मेरा टाइम चला गया, लेकिन कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बाद में मेरे से वो सॉल्व हो गई। रीजनिंग भी इजी था, सारे पजल बन गए थे। और दोस्तों आपका क्या स्कोर रहा आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना, सेक्शन वाइज आपका स्कोर बताना, जिससे कि मैं कंपेयर कर सकूं कि मैं कहाँ स्टैंड करता हूँ। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।